Hello there. So let's talk about how to password protect a Google Sites website. In here, basically for step 1, that's going to be restrict who can view your site. Open up your site in Google Sites. Click the share with others. That should be on the upper right corner. Now change from anyone with a link to specific people, or only people in your organization if you're using Google Workspace. Also add the email address of people allowed to view to make it more restrict. Downside for that one, no single password must people sign in with their Google account. Next up, use a third-party embedded solution. This is a workaround. If you want a true password, create a password-protected page using tools like WordPress, Wix, and Card. Embed it into your Google website and sign in via iframe. That will be insert, embed, and embed code. This is not perfect though, same as the first one, but it's still good as new. Third one that will be hide navigation links. This is actually optional. If you're using private pages, you can just click on pages, more, which is going to be the three dots, hide from navigation. Now this prevents users from accidentally stumbling into your private pages. Personally, I want the first one better, and that's it.